Here we're gonna open up the new Samsung Gear S2 Silver. Okay, so let's see what we get. And this one has mobile service too. Look at that. Oh man, that's nice. It's big too. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so let's see what we got to watch. Charger. Just a cord for it. Then you get the little fancy stand right here. Okay. Here's an extra band. See, this will be the short one. Got the long one, so we're gonna see which one fits better, so I don't get too much slack. Supposed to have some quick release thing. So let's see over here. That's it for this. Here's little guides. Whatever. I guess this is how to figure out something about it. Never had one, so see what happens. Okay, so to change the bands, got the charger already going on. Change the bands, you gotta put your nail in there, press this down, and then just pull it away. It's pretty easy. Same for this side. Just put your nail right in there, pull that down, and then just pull it right up. It's pretty easy. So you have to put the Samsung Gear into this. So I got on the phone, putting the Samsung Gear, put it on the charger. It's got to update the program or whatever it's got going on there. It's got to update it. And then after that, we'll see what's next. So after the update, it says turn bezel counterclockwise to view notifications. So you swipe from the edges, it brings the screen up and down. Touch it with your palm, turns it off. So this is a pretty cool little feature on the phone. It changes the watch faces on your phone. So go to that. Like I'm speaking through the watch and like I'm hearing you through the watch.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Alright. That's nice.
Yeah. Alright, I'll see you later, okay? So that was the first phone call off the watch. Now it seems to pair off with the phone, but I was told that this has its own number. Alright, so I get into the about device and hold on. Okay, now I go to the, what was that again? ICCID?
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I click on that.
Yep. Should be an 8901 number.
Yeah.
So I just activated the SIM card that's in the watch.
Okay.
For that line. So that watch should be up and running here very, very soon.
Alright.
Within a few minutes. While you're in that about device, could you also read me another number that's in there too, please? The IMEI number.
So I go to settings.
Mm-hmm.
Then I go to all the way to the bottom. What is it? Gear info.
Uh-huh.
Now about device.
Yep. There
Okay.
should be an IMEI number listed in there.
IMEI, yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Alright, that's good to go. So yeah, that watch should be working any time now. Very, very soon.
All right. So I'll be able to make my own phone calls off of the. So now the phone calls come off of the watch on its own number, right?
Yes, that's exactly how it works. So basically, that device can act independently as its own communication device. You know, it'll have data, things like that.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much what it's built for. You can also, of course, you can pair it with your Samsung device as well. That's kind of what its main design is for, so you can receive text messages through your Samsung device. You can operate your Samsung device from your watch as well, like maps, things like that. That's all on there. I would encourage you to visit us online at mytmobile.com.
Yeah.
On that website, we have all kinds of how-to links for this device.
Okay.
So if you ever want to figure out how to do something, that would be where you would go.
So I go to so I go to the T-Mobile. What was that again?
At mytmobile.com.
MyTmobile.com, and then I'll find all the stuff that helps me use the watch better, right?
Yep. If you go to that website, there's a link that says how to. It's going to be under the device tab.
And the how to. Okay.
It has all kinds of stuff listed there for how-to guides on how to do stuff with that device. And it's really easy to read and operate. I'll send you a link on how to register for mytmobile.com.
All right. Cool. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, now the watch is working. So I'm gonna go to bottom button here. Takes you to all the, I guess, the little apps, whatever. Go to phone. Calling my cell phone. I had to disconnect the Bluetooth from the phone and the watch. That was the problem. See, it was paired to my phone, so it wouldn't let me use its own phone number. And then it says I'm calling from this phone number. I'm gonna hang up on that guy. Call myself from my own watch. It's pretty cool. Now let's call myself back. I'm gonna call the watch. There we go. I'm getting called on my watch. Hello. Yep, that's how you know. So what I'm doing here now is go to the phone feature, go to the little contact icon. Then right there you have your favorites. You got the whole list. You scroll down with your finger and you just see everybody there. Now after you sync all that into the phone, into the watch, you're gonna make sure that the phone, the pairing on the Bluetooth, is off. So in this case, I go to the settings, Bluetooth, the Gear S2, click on the settings icon that it gives me. Then I'm user for call audio, turn that off, and that's it. Now it works on its own. It'll connect itself to the Wi-Fi here at the house, and it's got its own phone line. So let's see, we got some messages here. So you scroll down with your finger or with the wheel. That's good. Okay, now I go into the phone. Contacts, yeah. Got everybody you want on there. You could use the phone dial. Got a little rotary dial. It's pretty cool. Amazing. Change the watch face. There's this little interactive space type thing, like a little snowball effect. Interesting. Change the watch face again. Go into the watch. Alright. Here's the gear plug-in. Now we're going to cancel that since we already turned off the Bluetooth there. Okay. Yeah. Pretty cool. Here's another thing that it does. You have it on. So you go back. Change the screen. It's got one of those heart monitors. So you click on the heart monitor. And it'll start reading your pulse. Now, so I got my pulse. If you swipe down, you got the brightness, the speaker sound, the speaker volume. Go back. It says standalone T-Mobile. That means it's using its own number. That's I guess a music player. So that's pretty loud. I don't know what this is for, but yeah, I guess it's music there. Calls in. Not sure what that's about. Allow call forwarding. No. More settings. Number. Ringtone volume. Got that. Now you don't like the watch face. Go into settings. Display. Watch faces. Then scroll like this. So a few hours into owning the Gear S2, I think it's super easy with a little bit of time. So here it is in its glory, getting charged. So about 6:30 the battery died. It was at, when it came out of the box, about 70%. So it only lasted, I got it around 12 or 1 o'clock.